guys, Jim at Escape Lawn Care. Great to see you back in the channel. We're going to make this quick and easy for you today. Earmuffs. Protection for your ears. We all need them. Professionals, homeowners, DIYers, all of it. Any type of loud environment that you're in, you've got to protect your ears. With the NRR rating of 25, that's pretty high. That's amongst the highest. Bluetooth technology 5.0. They got them in a variety of different colors. AM, FM radio. Nice little carrying case. I'm going to show you quickly how to use this. I'm surprised how quick this connects. Power on feature. Immediately goes into pairing mode. Immediately connects. I'm saying within 3 to 5 seconds, it's done. If you go out of range, it connects back again. If not, it's a simple press here. You got your volumes, you got your channel selector, you got your connect to your phone, however you want to do that. You certainly have your earpieces that you can adjust. It says foam. They also have them in gel. This is by far one of the best ones I've had in a long time. In full disclosure, PROHEAR did send this to me, but they have no input on my opinions. So I have used this the last couple of weeks, and I'm pleasantly surprised of how quick it connects. And then the noise, the environmental noise, whether I'm lowing professionally or even at my home, and but it just muffles it. It's very nice. I can hear the music on the inside. It's entertaining for me. Right now they have it on sale, just under $40. Go get it. I'll leave a link in the description. Peace.